What's up, everybody?
Yeah, shake the camera a little bit more.
Oh my God! So we just finished lunch at
Wendy's.
the Wendy's.
Turn right.
Because it's close by, and wow,
It's starting to rain.
I look very white. Okay. Anyways, back to what we were doing. So we are going on a road trip today, a very far away place. Where are we going?
5 minutes down the road.
We're going 5 minutes down the road. So we are going to hopefully swap the, what is it, like a second gen?
The facelift front end is going on my car. As you know, we picked up a Euro spec front end, and it's currently in the process of getting prepped. But I found someone that wants my front end, so he's going to.
Turn right.
You're going that way.
He's going to trade me his black one. It's not tux, but it is an implant.
Was it behind us?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming. There's an ambulance. So, anyways, that's where we're headed to go over and do. Apparently, he lives like right on the corner from us. So, there's an ambulance right.
Hopefully, they don't want to turn right. No, they do. Of course they did.
Anyways, and now it's raining. Awesome.
Yeah, but he has a garage, so we're gonna go over there, switch it over. Should be pretty quick. Doesn't take too much to swap over front ends on these cars, especially going from.
Look at that old Jeep. I don't know if you guys saw that or not.
In a quarter of a mile. Turn left.
So, anyways, I guess we'll catch up with you guys when we get there. In the meantime, we're just following an ambulance, apparently. So
It means we can run all the red lights.
that's a terrible idea. Apparently, we're going to the same place the ambulance is. So hopefully, the car didn't like fall on the guy or something.
I mean, I did just talk to him, so unless he's talking to me from the dead.
From underneath the Z
He's
car.
like crushed. He's like, okay.
Come on over, I need help. Alright, anyways.
Well, it's not his house.
Yeah. It's a good thing it's not the guy's house that we're going to, but hopefully this guy is okay. It looks like a maybe an older couple, so hopefully they're okay, but anyways, we'll be there in a second. Alright, so we're going to go over real fast on if you wanted to change your 15 and up, either ST or base, or I'm assuming the RS is the same, maybe, I don't know, to the older style bumper. So you will need this bottom section here off of the older car. We ended up moving this over. This one was already cut because of the honeycomb that's on the older bumper, so we moved that. Those are the only two underneath pieces. We went ahead and took the wiring harness from the ST bumper and then moved it over to the SE bumper, just because the connections, this looks nothing like the plug that was on the SE. So besides that, everything else, of course the bumper you need to do and put the SE hood on there. So yeah, that's all you need to do to swap the 16 or 15 and up. Wow, I just said that wrong. The older style bumpers on the 15 and newer cars.
But I'll put this.
All right, so we ran one more complication. You actually have to take the upper piece off of the ST.
Or cut it, probably.
Yeah, or cut it, or we just took it off.
It's not really needed.
It's just the mouth for the radiator.
So we took that off. Everything else fits. This was Anthony's grill delete that he made. So yeah, we'll just put the headlights in.
You'll need like these little push pins here.
Yeah, we'll have to trim this. I don't know what this is actually for.
So this is his. They had 2 bolts here, and we have 1 bolt here. That's all.
Okay.
That's the only difference.
So we'll take a Dremel and zip that out. That'll lay flush, and then everything else will fit.
You really only have to notch that bit.
Well, I got a drill. I have to use some dikes or something.
There's dikes up on that that thing. That might work. Another one's next to it.
Oh yeah, or the shears.
Yeah, the shears will probably work.
Shears.
Bye bye. Oh yeah.
No, there goes the ST badge.
Does it match?
So that all
It does.
seems to line up now. So we can get the pins and bolts in, and we'll be good.
You did plug the fog lights in though, right?
Yeah, they're plugged in.
The
Okay.
most confusing swap in history.
Why you do this?
No, I've always liked the way that front end came out though.
This looks amazing. That's the only reason. I would not take a standard SE front end. Like when I saw this, and because I originally wanted to go back on the ST front end, so I wanted to go to a 13 ST. But then when I saw that you had this done, and then ran across that you were looking to do a facelift,
Right.
I was like,
Yeah, the only thing you probably want to do is
Just
either
remove
remake it
this. Yeah,
or
just-
just heat this up.
push it
And-
in more.
Yeah, just get something round and just push it down, and then scotch tape that down overnight for it
Okay.
to harden back up.
Alright.
Otherwise, you have the material over there,
To
and
remove.
basically you're just going to take some cardstock and just map that out. I mean, it's not the most perfect cut.
I really like how that looks.
Yeah.
Want to put the hood on?
Yeah. Well, yeah, that's weird. I don't have hydraulics holding these up, so.
Next mod.
Yeah, honestly, after
Yeah.
seeing you.
If you had a Mustang, I'd have I have some extra sitting in the back of the truck.
Yeah. Need a swivel? I'm gonna whack these on real quick.
I mean, see how not lined up these are.
I think this hood's a little bit easier to line up, to be completely honest with you.
This one seems pretty.
Far over? Or?
No, flush.
Okay.
This one actually.
No, this one.
This needs to go more that way because this one's like tight. Uh-oh.
Yeah, careful, you're rubbing.
We clipped it on accident. Let's install that and release real quick.
Yeah.
Just pull it.
I'm looking for it actually.
This is like deja vu.
Yeah, because we took this one completely out. So I actually had to go get the last word because I saw it over here.
Right here. And then,
This is what I'm looking for.
yeah, this is easy, really easy to install. Snap down.
Clip that. Clip. That. Loop it around.
You want to put that on first.
Oh, okay. So that way it doesn't.
Down, in, and then mount it on there. Just like that.
We won't get locked out anymore.
Eventually.
Alright guys, so we made it to the car wash. We're going to wash both cars real quick because there's a giant bird turd on Anthony's car. So cue the cinematic car washing scene right now.
Alright, so we made it back to the house, got the headlights working finally. It actually turns out that there are 2 grounds on the ST and we have to make it down into 1 for the SE. I'll have a video coming out soon on that. We also took the ST badge off because false badging, and then I also added the big mouth air intake kit. So I think that's going to be it for this episode. We'll have some more coming out soon on the front bumper. Give us a like, comment down below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!